Welcome to CloudSync. Let us see a business case. As part of new internal software release, John, SFDC developer at STM Electronics, sent an email request to their SFDC admin to initiate developer box to replicate approval rule and its child objects, approval conditions, production data. And Sherry, SFDC admin at STM Electronics, doesn't want to use data loader with Excel-based VLOOKUPs, and she decided to use CloudSync application, which can address this use case in less than a minute with couple of clicks. So let us see how it can be done using CloudSync application. For installation and setup of CloudSync, refer to training video number 2. So once the CloudSync application been installed, click on CloudSync app and click on CloudSync Workbench. So enter the parent query as select all from SBAA_approval_rule_C, and the destination will be CPQ train. So enter one child query as select all from SBAA_approval condition_C. So enter parent field name as SBAA_approval_rule_C. So save this as a template for future use. Click on execute, and now you can verify the results. So let us see a demo on this. In this video, I am going to show you how to migrate Salesforce records from one Salesforce instance to other Salesforce instance. In this context, we are going to take Steelbrick instance as a source, which is on the left side of our screen, and CPQ train instance as a destination, which is on the right side of our screen. In this scenario, I am going to show you how to migrate approval rule and its associated child object data from Steelbrick to CPQ train. Let me open any approval rule record to check what are the child objects that we have. So approval rule has two child objects that are approval conditions and approvals. Let me check how many records are there in the source. In source we have 6 approval rules, and let me check the count in the destination. In destination we have no records in the approval rules. Let's migrate these approval rules and their child objects data from Steelbrick to CPQ train. To do this, we have already created a CloudSync template in the source instance, that is approval version 1.0. So when you open this template, you can see the parent query, which is written on the approval rule, and the destination, which is CPQ train. In this scenario, we are going to migrate only approval condition, one child objects data, from source to destination. Let me execute this template on our CloudSync Workbench. Go to CloudSync Workbench. Once the page loads, just select the template type as mgraph and select the template as approval rule version 1.0 in this case. Once you select, you can see the queries and destination, which were automatically populated from the template. And once everything is loaded, just click on execute. Clicking on execute, in the next screen, you can select the lookups associated with your parent or the child object. So select all the lookups so that all the data will also be migrated from source to destination. Just click on execute. Click on continue. This is another page. In this page, you can map the record type of your source record in the destination. Here I am going to use the standard mapping where the generic record type will be mapped. Click on continue. So once everything is done, the records will start migrating from Steelbrick to CPQ train. Here in Steelbrick we have 6 records. So let me check how many have been migrated to CPQ train, which is the destination. So all the 6 records have been migrated from source to the destination. For quick check, let me open the first record in the source and the same record in the destination. So the same data have been migrated from source to the destination. Here we have migrated only approval conditions. So one approval condition has been migrated to destination. Here we can notice these are the 3 lookups which we have selected in the screen 2 of CloudSync Workbench. So these things have also been migrated. So in this way we can migrate approval rules and its child objects data from Steelbrick to CPQ train without CloudSync application. Thank you very much. Have a great day.